Hi everyone. Today you are going to learn 10th class chapter number 9, that is tangent and take onto your circle, in that exercise number 9.3. Before we are going to the 9.3 exercise, we should know some of the formulas which has help us to do the exercise 9.3. What are the formulas will help in this exercise? Let me write here. Please, there are very familiar formulas. I will write only which the formulas will help you. Okay, the area of square, area of square is equal to side into side. Then area of triangle, formula 1/2 into base into height. Then the area of circle, formula pi r square, where pi equal to 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, then we are going to be use some of the other formulas like area sector. About the area sector we have learned in our 8th class. So you might be remember the formula now. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square, where the areas of sector will form. Let us know it here first. I will explain that. Then after I will continue the formulas. Suppose it is a circle. It is the center point of the circle O. Now let me draw a radius R and one more radius. These two radius will be having equal in length. Yes. So this form, and this is called an arc. These are radius. Two radius here. How many radius? Two radius. The area which is enclosed by two radius and an arc is called area sector. This is called sector. How to find out the area sector? This is the formula: x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here x degrees in the sense what? The angle enclosed by between two radius. The angle enclosed by two radius is called x degrees. Suppose it is a 60 degrees angle and it is a 5 centimeters of radius. Suppose it is a 5 centimeters of radius. Then what will be that? Let us take this as 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters of a radius and angle is 60 degrees in this. Then what will be the area of this sector? Area of sector will get it. X degrees nothing but 60 degrees I have taken by 360 degrees into pi, that is 22/7 into r square. R is here 7 centimeters. No, 7 centimeters into 7 centimeters. Let me cancel here. 7 ones are 7 ones are 60. 10 10 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are 2 3s are 2 11s are, and also here in 3 table it will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 3s are 9. 2 left, that become 20. 6 are 18. Again 2 left. 3.66 into 7 centimeter into centimeter square. So when you multiply this, 6 7s are 42. 4 carry, 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 46, 4 carry. Again 7 3s are 21 and 25. So that is 25.62 centimeters square. Simple. This is the formula of finding area of sector. Okay, the angle subtended between the two radius, that is x degrees, and the radius. If radius and the angle is given, we can find out the area of the sector. So now there will be some formulas to do this. Before this exercise, you do it. That is based on area of sector. Suppose now it is a circle with a center point O and the two radius and this arc. So area of sector is formed. Suppose if I join a line segment AB, this AB is known as chord. This AB is known as a chord of this circle. This AB is known as a chord of the circle. So see that now here it is happened. This figure is divided into the two parts. Now this is a triangle. The sector before this sector is divided into two parts by drawing a chord. This is a triangle and this part is known as segment. Segment in the sense what? You listen here, the regarding segment only we have lot of problems. Suppose this is the center point O and this is a chord. The area enclosed by a chord, an arc is known as segment. Segment. It is a minor segment because it occupies the less area. No, in the circle, in complete circle, this segment is occupies a small area, so it is known as a minor segment, and this is a major segment. Minor segment and major segment. How the segment will forms? By a chord and arc. The area segment enclosed by a chord and arc is known as a segment. So here we know that how to find out the area sector. Now let us know that one thing before going to the area segment. Suppose this is a chord and here the center point O. Now the angle here the subtended by this segment, okay, by this chord. If the length of chord is here, the angle is suppose x degrees, and see that if length of chord is increases, then what happens? Here the angle also increases. If length of chord increases, the angle also will be increases. If length of chord, if the chord is a diameter, it become a semicircle. If length of chord is increases, here angle also will be increases. If length of chord is decreases, the angle also will be decreases. Here a small angle, here little big, here increase the angle, here also the angle increase, here angle become 180 degrees. Why? It is based on the length of the chord. It depends on length of the chord. If length of the chord is increases, the angle also will increases. Okay, that you remember. And now as I said you that already, what is the meaning of a segment? Yes, what is the meaning of a segment? What is the segment? The area which is, this is segment. The area which is enclosed by a chord and arc is known as a area segment. So there will be two kinds of area segments will be there. Two kinds of areas will be there. See that, suppose this is area of minor segment. This is a minor segment. This is a minor segment. How to find out the area of this minor segment? So we don't know how to find out the area of segment formula will not there. So that we get it from the like this. So it is a center point O, it is a radius r and it is a radius r. With this chord, with the length of this chord, the some angle will forms here. That is x degrees suppose. Now what happens if you see clearly? Already I told. Now this is a sector. Without chord, this is a sector. And now this is a segment. Now here you can see it is a sector and this is a triangle. Here there is a triangle. AOB is a triangle. And there is a one sector here and one segment here. To find out the minor segment, to find out this minor segment, to find out the area of this minor segment, the formula is area sector. This complete area sector minus area triangle. Area sector minus area triangle. You get area minor segment. That is the formula here. The next formula here. Area of minor segment equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Already we know the area of sector formula, x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Already I have given an example how to find out the area of sector. Here area of triangle formula already we have 1 by 2 to base to height. If area of sector minus area of triangle, see, area of sector minus area of triangle. If I draw a triangle, so here circle. Suppose this is a sector O A B. Area of sector minus this triangle, we get area minus segment. Area minus segment. Then how to get the area major segment? ఈ ఏరియాకు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఫార్ములా ఉంది. ఈ షేడెడ్ ఏరియాకు ఏరియా మైనస్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఏరియా మైనస్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ఏరియా సెక్టార్ మైనస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ అన్షేడెడ్ కంప్లీట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్, దాన్ని ఏరియా మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటారు. చూడండి, వన్ కార్డ్ అండ్ వన్ బిగ్గర్ ఆర్క్. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ వాట్? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ మైనస్ దిస్ ఏరియా. ఈ మొత్తం ఏరియా సర్కిల్, ఏరియా సర్కిల్ నుంచి ఈ మైనస్ సెగ్మెంట్ తీసేస్తే ఏరియా మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది కదా. దట్స్ వాట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా సర్కిల్ మైనస్ ఏరియా మైనస్ సెగ్మెంట్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మైనర్ segment. So area of minor segment. Here area of minor segment formula we have this. So if you want to find out area of major segment, you should know first of all what is area of minor segment. So area of minor segment formula, area of sector. This area of complete sector minus area of triangle. Then we will get area of minor segment. And these are the formulas we are going to be used. So if you write, and along with that some trigonometric ratios, sin theta values and cos theta values also we are going to be used in one of the problem. So with that we can complete this exercise. So you copy these formulas so that we can continue our exercise. Okay, now in the exercise, the question number 1. The exercise, the question number 1. In question number 1, we have to find out area minor segment and also area major segment. Both also we need to find out. See that in a circle of radius 10 centimeter, a chord subtends a right angle at the center. Okay, in a chord, a circle of radius 10 centimeter, a circle with a radius 10 centimeter center O, and a chord. This chord will decide what angle should be there here. ఈ కార్డ్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తుంది ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఉండాలన్నది. ఈ కార్డ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతే the length of chord, if it is increased, the angle also will be increases. So this chord subtends right angle at the center. Right angle at the center. So the chord name is the chord. Chord in the sense a line segment which intersect the circumference of circle at 2 points and it is not passed through the center point of the circle. సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ నుంచి పాస్ కాకుండా డ్రా చేసినటువంటి లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ సర్కిల్లో దాన్నే కార్డ్ అంటాం. సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ నుంచి డ్రా చేసిన దాన్ని కూడా కార్డే అంటాం, కానీ దానికి డయామీటర్ అని పేరు. ద లార్జెస్ట్ కార్డ్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఏ డయామీటర్. సో హియర్ రైట్ యాంగిల్, ఫైండ్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ అండ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెట్ us find out the radius. First of all given the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle r equal to is given 10 centimeters. Okay, then let us go for area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment formula is what? Area of sector, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. I need that side place, so I am writing here. Then area of minor segment is equal to area of minor segment equal to area of sector formula is what? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. So this will put it in the bracket and this we have to put it in the one bracket. First find out the value of area of sector and we'll find out the value of area of triangle. Then we'll subtract this both areas so that we get the area of minus x degrees. The angle which is subtended between the two radius, that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value, that is 3.14 into r, the radius, that is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeters, because this is a r square, pi r square. Then minus here 1 by 2 into the base and height. It is a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, it is a hypotenuse and this is the base and this is height. Or not, you can take this is the base and this is height. Only in the right angle triangle, two of its sides are known as base and height. Any one you can take as a base, the other one you can take as a height, because both are also altitudes. The both are altitudes in the right angle triangle. Only one triangle. If it is not 90 degrees, the process will be different to find out the area of minor segment. ఇక్కడ 90 degrees లేకుంటే ప్రాసెస్ వేరే విధంగా ఉంటుంది. మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ కంటే ఫార్ములా ఇదే. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అప్పుడు బేస్ హైట్ దొరుకుతుంది. ఇందులో బేస్ హైట్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ దిస్ 10 centimeter as a base, this 10 centimeter you take as a height. This 10 centimeter if you take as a base, the other side you take as a height. No problem. So here 10 centimeter into 10 centimeters. Simple. Let us cancel. 91s are 94s are. Here 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So here it means here 3.14 into 5 into 5, 25 centimeter into centimeter square minus 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 10, 50 centimeter square. So here let us multiply this. 25 4s are 100, 10 carry, 25 1s are 25 plus 10 35, from the 35 5 here 3 carry, 25 3s are 75 plus 3 78, 78.50 centimeter square minus 50 centimeter square. Then you subtract this both, you will get 28.50 centimeter square. What is this? This is the area of minor segment. Therefore, area of minor segment is equal to 28.50 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the area of major segment also. No? How can we find out the area of major segment? Simple. We have a formula. Second, area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. ఇప్పుడే ఫార్ములా చెప్పాను కదా నేను అది. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఫార్ములా పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్, పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ minus area of minor segment. Already we got 28.50 centimeter square. Here pi value 3.14 ని యూజ్ చేయమన్నాడు క్వశ్చన్. into r value 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter minus this 28.50 centimeter square. Let us multiply this. 3.14 into 10 into 10 100 centimeter square minus 28.50 centimeter square. 3.14 into 100, that is we get 314 centimeter square minus 28.50 centimeter square. So when you subtract this 314 centimeter square minus 28.50 centimeter square, then we get 285.50 centimeters square, and this is the area of major segment. Therefore, the area of major segment, the area of major segment equal to 285.50 centimeter square. So I hope you understood that how to find out the area of minor segment and the area of major segment. Area of minor segment అంటే ఈ ఏరియా, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే ఈ పైన కంప్లీట్ ఏరియా. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టార్ మైనస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ మైనస్ ఏరియా మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్. సో if it is 90 degrees, it is very easy to find out the area of triangle because 1/2 into base into height. ఒకదాన్ని బేస్గా తీసుకుంటాం, ఇంకో దాన్ని హైట్గా తీసుకుంటాం. అదే ఇది 90 degrees కాకుండా ఉంటే ఏదైనా అబ్ట్యూస్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఆర్ అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అయి ఉంటే ఇందులో బేస్ ఏంటి హైట్ ఏంటి అప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం కదా. అలాంటి సందర్భాల్లో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్ వస్తే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ మేజర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2 యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2 విల్ డిస్కస్ ఓన్లీ that thing, how to find out the area of major segment and area of minor segment. The question number 2 is here. Let us go for that. In the circle of radius 12 cm, chord is subtends an angle 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor segment to a circle. Okay, so here same kind of question. So in a circle, this radius is 12 centimeters. The radius is given 12 centimeters and the chord is subtends 120 degrees. The chord is subtends 120 degrees at the center. Suppose here AB is a chord and AOB is a triangle. AOB is a triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle. So how to find out in this triangle now? In this triangle, how to find out the area of triangle? First of all, let us find out area of minor segment. No? Area of minor segment equal to formula is what? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Is a formula. Area of sector, let us find out first. Then later we will find out the area of triangle. Then both will subtract later. First of all, let us go for area of sector. Area of sector. ఒకసారి area of sector ని find out చేద్దాం. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So x is nothing but here 120 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value is 3.14 into r value, that is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters into 12 centimeters. Here 1010 get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 threes are 36 and 3 ones are 3 fours are, that equal to 3.14 into 12 fours are 48 centimeters square. Now when you multiply this both, we get that 150.72 centimeters square. You don't have to multiply చేస్తే టైం అయిపోతుంది. సో ఓకే మీరు చేసేసుకోండి మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ మీకు వచ్చు కదా. ఏరియా సెక్టార్, ఏరియా సెక్టార్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటి 150.7. Now how to find out the area of triangle? How to find out the area of triangle? Area of triangle formula 1/2 into base into height. What is the base here? What is the height? ఇది బేస్ ఇది హైట్గా తీసుకుంటావా? ఇంతకుముందు తీసుకున్నట్టు తీసుకోకూడదు. ఎందుకు తీసుకోకూడదు? అక్కడ 90 degrees ఉంది. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఒకటి బేస్గా తీసుకుంటే ఇంకోటి హైట్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. దెన్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద బేస్ అండ్ హైట్? దట్స్ వాట్. Let me draw the right hand one triangle here. The triangle only I'll draw this triangle. So let me draw this triangle. Here O, A and B, and this is a triangle. Now as we know that this is 12 centimeters. And we know that this is 12 centimeters. Now see that here the angle is given 120 degrees. Okay, here also this is a 12 centimeters. Now see that we'll draw a perpendicular line. Here we draw the perpendicular line. Suppose here M and M. We'll draw a perpendicular line like this. OM is a perpendicular line. Then we can say this is a height of the triangle and this is base of the triangle. The base is a AB and height is a OM. As we don't know what is AB తెలియదు మనకు అంటే బేస్ తెలియదు, OM తెలియదు అంటే హైట్ కూడా తెలియదు. హైట్ ఎంత OM ఎంత ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి. We don't know the height. What is the AB? Even this also we don't know. So then how to find out this OM and height and AB base? How to find out this? So we can use it one. See that this is a perpendicular bisector I have taken. So this is at 60 degrees, 120 degrees I will be dividing into 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, this 120 degrees I have divided into the two equal parts. Bisector, no? Perpendicular bisector I have taken here. OM is a perpendicular bisector of triangle. Here OM is a perpendicular bisector of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So here it is 60 degrees and it is 90 degrees. See that if it is 60 and 90, it comes 30 degrees. It comes 30 degrees. Yes, it will comes here 30 degrees. 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 90 180. So ఇక్కడ నేను తీసేసుకుందాం ఇంకా. Okay, you just forget about this now. You forgot about that. Okay, this you remember now. Now our target is that we'll find out the OM and AM. How you got the 30 degrees here? Are you remember? Here it is 60, here it is 90. So here 30 degrees will comes. Now in that case, let us find out first what is OM. So trigonometric ratios will be using here. Okay, let us use it. See that here OM is the opposite side of this angle. For this angle opposite side is what? E angle ko opposite side OM. So we know we have to find out the OM. Opposite side we need to find. As here it is 90 degrees, it is called hypotenuse. In triangle AOM, angle A opposite side is OM and hypotenuse is given. Okay, we need to find out the opposite side. Hypotenuse is given. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is in triangle AOM. See, in triangle AOM, here for this 30 degrees angle, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side OM by hypotenuse is AO. Yes, hypotenuse opposite side by hypotenuse. Formula denti trigonometric ratio lo sin theta will always give us opposite side by hypotenuse. But theta is here. The theta we are using 30 degrees. So sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin 30 degrees. So sin 30 degrees value is what? Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to OM that we need to find by OA. OA is 12 centimeters. So this 12 centimeters will transfer this side. Then what happens? OM equal to, here already 1 by 2 into 12 is dividing, no? It will multiply here. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. That equal to OM equal to 6 centimeters. OAM ఈక్వల్ టు 6 సెంటీమీటర్ అంటే ఈ OM ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్ వచ్చింది. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ AM? AM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. AM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకు MB కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది బికాజ్ దిస్ టూ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్. సో ఇఫ్ AM if you got 10, this will be 10, then AB will be 20. So now we will find out. See, for this 30 degrees, this side is known as a adjacent side. What? Adjacent side. Adjacent side. The adjacent side is AM by what is a hypotenuse? Already we know that hypotenuse is what? Here hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is AO. Adjacent side we need to find. Hypotenuse is given. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse will be given cos theta. Theta is nothing but 30 degrees. So AM by AO. So cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. That is cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. From the trigonometric ratio. AM we need to find where AO equal to 12 cm. This 12 cm will transfer this side. So what we get? See, root 3 by 2 into 12 centimeters equal to AM. 2 ones are 2 6 are. That will be AM equal to 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 centimeters. 6 root 3 centimeters. That means this AM equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. If it is 6 root 3 centimeter, then BM also will be 6 root 3 centimeters. Then we can write here AM is equal to BM is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Then AB, this total AB equal to AM plus BM, that equal to 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3, that equal to 12 root 3 centimeters. Therefore AB equal to 12 root 3 centimeters. 12 root 3 centimeters. Now we got, see, base we got and also height we got. Base height find out cheyadaniki inta chesam. Area of triangle formula enti 1/2 into base into height. The base is AB. AB ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు 12 root 3 centimeters. Height ఎంత వచ్చింది OM 6 centimeters. So area of triangle. Now second one, area of triangle. Area of triangle formula 1/2 into base nothing but AB into height is nothing but OM. Let us substitute the values. 1/2 into base 12 root 3 centimeters into height. Height it is OM 6 centimeters. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Then 6 into 6 36 root 3 centimeters. So here 36 into root 3 value 1.732 centimeters. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 36 into 1.732 ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మీకు వస్తుంది 62.352 centimeters. 62.352 centimeters square. Centimeter square. ఇక్కడ centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Then the area of triangle equal to, here I will write now. Yes, area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to what we got? 62.352 centimeters square. Now already we got area of sector. What we got now? Area of sector value already we got, that is 150.72 centimeters square. Now we can find out the area of minor segment. Now we can find out the area of minor segment. You copy this all. Area of minor segment equal to area of sector, that is 150.72 centimeters square minus this formula once again you have to write, minus area of triangle is 62.352 centimeters square. When you subtract this both, you get 88.368 centimeters square, and this is the area of minor segment. I hope you understood how to do the area of minor segment. Same formula, area of minor segment అంటే area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle ఇక్కడ triangle right angle triangle ఇవ్వలేదు కనుక బేస్ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి హైట్ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ని యూజ్ చేసాం. ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ని యూజ్ చేస్తే మనకు బేస్ అండ్ హైట్ వస్తాయి. మీకు ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా కొద్దిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే దెన్ I'll give you one more question. Example number 1. Example number 1 of the textbook question. You can refer it. You will get a more idea that is based on the same model. The same model of this second question. Example number 1 you can refer it in your textbook. At the page number that will be 243. In 243 there is a example number 1 question. You can refer that so that you will get an idea that how to do it. This problem. We go for question number 3. Yes, we go for the question number 3 now. See, this question number 3, 4, 5. These all questions will be similar to each other. Now, this question number 3 is based on area of sector. Area of sector. What is the area of sector formula? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. That is the question. Now, see that the question number 3. Solution. A car has two wipers. For cars there will be wipers on the mirror, in the front mirror. Yes, which is do not overlap. Which are do not overlap. అంటే ఒకటి వైప్ చేసిన దానికి ఇంకోటి వైప్ చేయాలి. ఏదైతే ఒక వైపర్ వైప్ చేస్తుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ని ఇంకొకటి వైప్ చేయకుండా అలా టూ వైపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. A car has two wipers. Suppose a car has like this two wipers. Suppose this is a car, it has two wipers. Like this. A car has two wipers. Each of the length is 25 centimeters. ఈ 25 centimeters ని radius గా తీసుకోవాలి. Then swiping through an angle 115 degrees. They are swiping through an angle of 115 degrees. So 115 degrees వరకు వాళ్ళు స్వైప్ చేస్తారు. So they comes like this and they swipe 115 degrees. The total area cleaned at each sweep at the blades. Okay, is sweep at the blades. The total area. Okay, the total area which we sweep by this two blades we need to find out. So let us find out here the total area sweep by two blades, two wipers with radius 25 centimeters and the angle 115 degrees plus 115 degrees is equal to 230 degrees total. The total angle is 5. This both blades total angle 115 plus 115 230 degrees of area of angle. The total angle 230 degrees. With this 230 degrees of angle there is 5. So x equal to we have to take 230 degrees. Then here we will find out the area swept by two wipers. Nothing but area of sector only. Area of sector. It means the area of sector like that. So area of sector equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square formula. X degrees in the sense here will 230 degrees into 230 by 360 degrees into pi value. Here we can use 3.14 into r, that is 25 centimeters into 25 centimeters. Here 1010 get cancelled and here 23 by 36 and here 3.14 into 25 into 25. Then while we simplifying this all, this we get, or not, we will use 22 by 7, or not, 23 by 3 36 into 3.14 into 25 into 25, 625 centimeter square. With the 36 you divide this and simplify. At last you will get the simplification 1254.96. This I solved it. When you cancel this all, you get like this 0.96. This will be equal. It is similar to equal with the 1254.9. 54.9 and 55 equal. So this will be equal to this centimeters square. So the area swiped by these two blades, the area swiped by these two wipers with the radius 25 degrees and total angle 230 degrees is 1255 centimeters. You will get 1254.96. 54.96 అంటే సిమిలర్ గా మనకు 1255 సెంటీమీటర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ పై వాల్యూ మనము ఓన్లీ 2 డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ వరకు మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటున్నాం. కానీ పైకి ఇన్ఫినిటివ్ డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవన్నీ ఒక 5-6 డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనకు సిమిలర్గా దగ్గరగా వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 2 డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ you got 1254.96. now it will be equal to 1255 centimeters square, and this is the area swiped by the two blades. Two blades tone and the area manam swipe cheyali. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next we go for the question number 4. The question number 4 here. See the question number 4 solution. See the question number 4. For this solution I need to draw the diagram. Now this is a diagram of this fourth question. Let us see that fourth question. Find the area of shaded region. ఇందులో షేడ్ చేసినటువంటి రీజియన్, షేడ్ చేసినటువంటి పార్ట్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎంత ఏరియా షేడ్ చేసామో ఆ పార్ట్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫైండ్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్ ఇన్ ద adjacent figure where ABCD is a square with the side 10 cm. Here we can see that one square of ABCD with the side of 10 cm, 10 cm of each side. Then the semicircle drawn with the each side of the square as a diameter. So the semicircles are drawn here. If you see how many semicircles are drawn, 1, 2, and here it is 3 and 4. 4 semicircles are drawn with their diameters d equal to, the diameter d equal to 10 cm. The diameter of the semicircle, the diameter of semicircle d equal to 10 cm. Then the radius of the semicircle r equal to, we know, d by 2, that is nothing but 10 by 2 centimeters, nothing but r equal to 5 centimeters. Then the side of the square, the side of the square is equal to 10 centimeters. The side of the square is 10 centimeters. Now how can we find out the area of shaded region? So for that, first of all, directly we cannot find out the area of shaded region, but we can find out the area of unshaded region first. First let us find out, let us mark unshaded region, like a part 1, 2 and 3 and 4, like a 1 and 2, here 3 and 4. Let us mark the unshaded region like a part 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a 4 parts I have divided this unshaded region. First of all, what I would like to do it. So simple now. First of all, I will find out the area of unshaded region of part 1 and part 2. How? This area of two semicircles minus, sorry, area of square minus area of these two semicircles. With that, see, area square, this complete area square minus this area of two semicircles. If I do it, area of these two semicircles, ఈ సెమీసర్కిల్ ఏరియాని ఈ సెమీసర్కిల్ ఏరియాని ఈ ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ నుంచి తీసేస్తే, ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ నుండి ఈ ఏరియా తీసేస్తే మనకు ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. దెన్ సిమిలర్లీ ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ this complete semicircle and this complete semicircle area, if you subtract, you will get area 3 and 4. The area 1 and 2, if you get answer, area 3 and 4, similarly we can write the same answer because they occupy the same area. So that's what we do it now. Let us find out the area to unshaded regions. The area of two, that is 1 and 2, part 1 and part 2, unshaded region. The area unshaded region equal to area square minus area of square minus area of two semicircles, 2 into area semicircle, area of semicircles, 2 into area semicircle అంటే రెండు సెమీసర్కిల్స్ యొక్క ఏరియాని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం, ఏరియా స్క్వేర్. సో వి నో దట్ ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా సైడ్ ఇంటూ సైడ్, ఓకే, సైడ్ ఇంటూ సైడ్ మైనస్ 2 into area semicircle formula, area semicircle 1/2 into pi r square. pi r square అంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఫార్ములా, అందులో సగం లేదా సెమీసర్కిల్ అంటే 1/2 pi r square. So this two get cancelled. Now side into side, that means the side of the square is 10 cm and 10 cm. 10 cm into 10 cm minus here pi value is 3.14 and use చేయండి into r value. The radius of the semicircle is 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters into 5 centimeters. So here 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square minus 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3.14. 3.14 into 25 centimeter square. So let us find out 100 centimeter square minus this 25 into 10. Sorry, 25 into 4, 100. So 10 carry. 25 ones are 25 plus 10, 35. So 3 carry now. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 3, 78. 78.50 centimeter square. Now when you subtract this both, we get 21.50. 21.50 centimeter square, and this is the area of two unshaded parts, part 1 and part 2. Then similarly area of unshaded parts 3 and 4 also equal to 21.50 centimeter square. Then the total unshaded parts, region is equal to this 21.50 centimeter square plus ఇదెంత వచ్చింది 21.50 centimeter square. This is again 21.50 centimeter square. Then the total unshaded region, is equal to 21 42 plus 0.5 43 centimeter square. But he did not ask what is unshaded region. We have to find out what is shaded region. So if you need shaded region, what we have to do? Already మనకు unshaded region ఎంత వచ్చింది 43 వచ్చింది. అంటే షేడెడ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మిగతాది 100 నుంచి. That means area square minus the 43 if you remove, you will get 57. The 57 will be a shaded region. Therefore, the area of shaded region is equal to area square minus area of square minus area of unshaded region. Area square is 100 centimeter square, minus area of unshaded region, that is 43 centimeter square, that equal to 57 centimeter square, and this is therefore the area of shaded region is 57 centimeter square, children. Now we go for the question number 5, which is very similar to the question number 4 only. There we have gone for first unshaded region, then area square minus area of unshaded region, then we got the shaded region. Here directly this unshaded region we have to find. There it was 4 semicircles, here there is only 2 semicircles. Same thing, area of square minus area 2 semicircles. Here area square నుంచి ఈ 2 semicircle unshaded region ని తీసేస్తాం. ఈ రెండు semicircle ని తీసేస్తే మనకు మిగిలేది shaded region కదా. So that is what we are going to do. The side of the square from the figure only we can write the side of the square that equal to 7 centimeter. The diameter of the semicircle, the diameter of the semicircle d equal to 7 centimeter. Then the radius of the semicircle r equal to d by 2, that equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. 7 by 2 centimeters. We'll keep like that only, r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters, and let us do it this. And see what is the question actually. See, find the area of the shaded region in the ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeter and APD. Here ABCD is a square, in that APD and BPC are semicircles. BPC is a semicircle, రెండు semicircles అంటారు. Okay, simple that area of square minus these 2 unshaded semicircles. Area of shaded region equal to area square minus area of square minus area of 2 semicircles. Area square formula, side into side minus 2 into area semicircle formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. 2 get cancelled. Here 2 semicircles when you join we get complete circle, that's why we get pi r square. రెండు semicircles అంటే ఒక సర్కిల్ ఏదో. Side into side, the side of this square is 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter minus here pi value that is 22 by 7, r value that is 7 by 2 centimeter and 7 by 2 centimeters into 7 by 2 centimeters. See, 2 ones are 2 11s are 7 ones are 7 ones are, and here 2 ones are 2 3.5s are. So we got here now 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square minus here 11 into 3.5, 11 into 3.5 centimeter square, that equal to 49 centimeter square minus 11 5s are 55, 5 carry 11 is 33 plus 5 38, that is 38.5 centimeter square, that is 10.5 centimeter square. Now the difference is 10.5 centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded region, therefore the area of shaded region is equal to 10.5 centimeter square. I hope you understood. Very small problem. Now we go for the question number 6, and this is the question number 6 diagram. Let us see what we need to do for this. Now here in the figure OACB, OACB is a quadrant circle with the center O. It is a quarter circle, it is a quarter circle with the center O. That means quarter circle and 1/4 of the circle. If you draw a circle, you will get understand like this. Yes. Now it is only a quarter circle. What? OACB is a quarter circle. So if it definitely it will be 90 degrees no? Yes. It is a quarter circle. It's a quarter circle. The center O from the complete circle, it's a quarter circle with the center O. Then of radius 3.5 centimeter are equal to the radius are equal to 3.5 centimeter structure. Then where if OD equal to 2 centimeter, then the area of shaded region is area of shaded region. If you see clearly, it is in a quarter circle or complete circle, no? Then it is look like the area of what? It is a segment. See, this will look like say area segment. How can you find out the area segment? By area of sector minus area of triangle. The area of segment. This area of segment only we need to find. The area of segment equal to area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region ఎలా ఉంది? Segment లా ఉంది. Segment. That equal to minus segment. Area minus segment equal to area of sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of sector is what? Area of sector formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle 1/2 into base into height, and this is the formulas. Let us substitute the values now. Okay, x degrees nothing but it is a 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 22/7 into r square. The radius is 3.5 centimeter as given. 3.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters, and this is the area of sector minus we have to subtract area of triangle 1/2 into base of this triangle OBD. Here triangle OBD 1/2 base, that is 3.5 centimeter. Height it is 2 centimeter. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. 91s are 94s are. Okay. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. 2 1s are 2 5.5s are. 7 1s are 7 0.5s are. That equal. At last you got 5.5 into 0.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters minus here only 3.5 centimeters is left. Here centimeter square. Then you multiply this all. When you multiply this all, you will get 9.625. 9.625 centimeter square minus 3.5 centimeter square. And the difference between this, find out the difference, that is 6.125 centimeter square. And this is the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region is 6.125 centimeters square. The small simplifications are there that you need to do it, children. Now we go for the 7th question solution. Here I have drawn the figure of the 7th one. See that AB and CD are respectively arcs. ఈ AB and CD అనేవి arcs. Arc అంటే ఏంటి యాక్చువల్గా a part on the circumference of the circle. ఒక circumference of circle పైన ఒక చిన్న పార్ట్ ఇదాన్ని ఆర్క్ అంటాం. Okay, so this AB and CD are the arcs. That means this AB and CD is nothing but ఒక two concentric circles లాంటివి, like that. So AB and CD are the arcs, nothing but they are a part on the circumference of the circle. అంటే ఇలాంటి రెండు పెద్ద సర్కిల్ పైన అవి ఉంటాయి. Then CD is another circle, like that. So see, like this. So these two are the concentric circles. So AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radius 21 centimeter. Outer one the radius is 21 centimeter and inner one the radius of 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. With the center O. Center O ga ee rendu circles unnai. ఆ రెండు సర్కిల్ పైన CD arcs and AB arcs తీసుకున్నాను. సో యాంగిల్ AOB is equal to 30 degrees. Find the area of shaded region. Here we need to find out the area of shaded region. That means how to find out the area of shaded region here. Simple, with the given measurements. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Given information you write first. ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాసుకోండి ఒకసారి, డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ చేద్దాం. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్ ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాయండి. రేడియస్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, అవుటర్ రేడియస్ అండ్ ఇన్నర్ రేడియస్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ యూ రైట్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు these two are like a sectors. You see, area bigger sector, area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. area of sector, ఈ పెద్ద సెక్టార్ నుంచి ఈ చిన్న సెక్టార్ ని తీసేస్తే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్ వస్తుంది. సో ఫ్రమ్ ది టోటల్ సెక్టార్ యు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ సెక్టార్ ఆఫ్ COD. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టార్ AOB minus area of sector COD. Let us find area of sector formula: x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here minus same area of sector x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Then here you see now x degrees by 360 degrees is x degrees in the sense here is 30 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value, it is 22 by 7 into r value, r is 21 centimeters into 21 centimeters minus here also we substitute the same thing, x degrees by 360 degrees into x is 30 degrees. Okay, pi value 22 by 7 into r value here 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. And see, if you see in the both, this 30 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7, 30 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7, both are same, no? Let us take out common factor. Our root common తీసేసుకుందాం. Into 22 by 7 కామన్ తీసేసుకుందాం. ఇది ఇందులోంచి ఇది కామన్ అయిపోయింది, ఇందులోంచి ఇది కామన్ అయిపోయింది. So what 21 into 21, that is 441 centimeter square minus 7 into 7 మిగులుతుంది కదా, అది 49 centimeter square. See that 10 get cancelled. 12 ones are, sorry 3 ones are 3 12s are here 6 2 6 are 2 11s are. So what left at last? 1 into 11 by 6 7s are 42, 11 by 42 into here 441 minus 49, 441 minus 49, this is 3 and 11, so it will be a 2 and 3 minus 4 is not possible here, 13 minus 4 is 9 and it is 392 centimeter square. And if you cancel this both in the two table will cancel, 2 2s are 2 1s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. Okay, next 10 17. So after cancellation this, you cancel this and divide it. 11 6 are 66, 6 carry, 11 9 are 99, plus 6 105. So 5 here and 10 carry. Then 11 ones are 11 plus 10, 2156 by 21 centimeter square. Then when you divide this both, you will get, that is, so 102.66 centimeter square. ఈ రెండింటిని డివిజన్ చేయండి, మీకు సేమ్ 102.66 centimeter square వస్తుంది. ఇది ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్. ఏరియా, ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ shaded region is equal to 102.66 centimeter square. The area of shaded region. చూడండి, ఈ రెండింటిని కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ అంటారు. ఇవి ఇచ్చిన ఆర్క్స్ కదా, ఆర్క్ని కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం, అప్పుడు సర్కిల్స్ వస్తాయి. Then these two circles having common center point, so it is known as concentric circles. Very simple and easy problem. Now we go for the last question of this exercise. See that here from the figure what we can understand, the side of the square, here ABCD is a square, the side of the square is each 10 centimeters, and here we can see a shape which is in the shaded part. So what is this, what we need to find? Clearly they will ask to find out the area of shaded region. Let us see. Calculate the area of designed region in the figure. The common between the two quadrant of the circles of radius 10 centimeter each. So these are the common portion of two quadrant circles with the center K. Suppose for this arc if you take, then you fill up this arc, you will get one circle, and this arc if you take, you will get one more circle. See, with the center A there is a one arc, and with the center C there is a one more circle. With the center A there is a one circle, and with the center C there is a one more circle. That means the given parts are given only quadrant circles. The quadrant parts are given, quadrant circles are given. Okay. Now we need to find out the area of designed parts. How can we find out? First of all, let us join BD here. BD ni join cheyali. So I will make it to understand first. Let us join the BD. So see now, first of all, if you want to find out area of this shaded region, here part 1 and part 2, there are two parts are there which we have divided equal. The part 1 shaded region and part 2 shaded region both are equal. So how can we find out? Here we can see area segment like area segment. How many segments are there? Two area segments are there. ఇక్కడ రెండు సర్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు క్వాడ్రంట్ సర్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కనుక రెండు ఏరియా సెగ్మెంట్స్ వస్తాయి. Here when you find out now area segment, here A B C D, suppose if you take some more here P, A B P D is a one area segmented. Okay, in that segment you will be get area of this shaded region, part 1 will get, and also part 2 we will be getting by doing the same thing. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే area of shaded region, area of shaded region equal here 2 into ఇక్కడ 2 quadrant circles ఇచ్చాడు కనుక 2 into area of shaded region, nothing but area of shaded is nothing but area segmented. Area of shaded region is nothing but area minus segmented. Area of shaded region అంటే shaded region ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, రెండు మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఇస్తున్నాయి, 2 మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్స్, ఏరియా 2 మైనర్ సెగ్మెంట్స్. సో 2 into area of minor segment formula, area sector minus area of triangle. Why we done 2? ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక పార్ట్ ఉంది, ఒకసారి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏరియా 1 సెగ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏరియా 1 మోర్ సెగ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది. So 2 area segments will be. So అందుకే 2 into అంటారు సార్. 2 into, let us find out this area sector formula. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height, base into height. So here 2 into x is nothing but 90 degrees. They are quadrant circles. Quadrant circles అంటేనే క్వార్టర్ సర్కిల్. ఒక సర్కిల్ లో ఫోర్త్ పార్ట్ ని క్వాడ్రంట్ సర్కిల్ అంటారు. ఇవి ఇచ్చారు మనకి. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 22/7 into r value. The radius is 10 centimeter. ఇదే కదా రేడియస్, సర్కిల్ కు రేడియస్ 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters. ఓకే, మైనస్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ దీన్ని ఒక బ్రాకెట్ రాసేయండి. మైనస్ 1/2 into base is 10 centimeters and height also 10 centimeter of the triangle in this triangle. Okay, ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ యొక్క బేస్ హైట్ 10 centimeter 10 centimeter. సో నెక్స్ట్ that 2 into see 90 91s are 94s are here 2 2s are 4 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 5s are and here ultimately 11 into 5 into 10 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square by 7 minus of, so 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 10 50, so 50 centimeter square. So here you will get 2 into 11 into 5 55 into 10 550 centimeter square by 7 minus 50 centimeter square. Okay, let us divide 550 will divide by 7 7s are 49, we get 6, it is 0 and 7 8s are 56, we get 4 as a remainder 0.0 and 7 5s are 35 50, then 7 7s are 49, 1 will be remainder. So 78.2 into 78.57 centimeter square minus 50 centimeters square. So here 2 into here 78 minus 50, that is 28.50 centimeter square. Let us multipy. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, that is 57.14 centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded region equal to 57.14 centimeter square, or not 57.14 అంటే equal to 57 only. It will be similar to 57 and raskunna. Okay, so or not, but you write confirm definitely that 57.14 centimeter square. And now this is the way we need to solve it here. Why we have done 2 into, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 2 segments ఇచ్చారు, 2 quadrant circles ద్వారా 2 segments వచ్చాయి, 2 minor segments వచ్చాయి. సో 2 into అని చేసాం. సో వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ని 2 స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. సరే, ఓకే, I hope you understood this chapter clearly. Practice at least once and twice each problem so that you will be perfect. There will be no much difficult problems in this. Very easy problems are there in this chapter completely. We have to practice some formulas and some simplification. That's it, children. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.